Come here. Okay, very good. Next, Katie Shine. Okay, take. Alright.
Oh my easy.
Maybe you take here, I'm gonna help you with this. Okay, next one. You take it here, I'm gonna help you with this. At the front. This is a... Okay, take it from there. I'm gonna help you. Show your classmates. Okay. Right. It's a bridge. Next one. Tatari. What is this? It's a... Oh, just tell me, what is it?
Market.
Can you show us where is the market? Very good. That is the market. Very good. Next. Okay, look at the picture for this one. Who knows what is this? This is a... It starts with letter S. What is this? Okay. What is this? It's a... Can you tell me what is that? Wow, very good. Can you show us where is the square? That's right. That is the square. Very good. Next. What is this? This is the... Okay, where's the zoo? Very good. That is the zoo. Okay, next. So, what is this place? This is a... Can you show me? This is a... What? What is that? It's a... Okay, can you... Very good. Next. What is this? Canada. Hey, Canada, what is this place? You can take it from here. Very good. Next, we have Canada. Okay, Canada, can you pick? What is that place? Bus stop. Very good. Nice. Very good. Next, we only have 3 left. Hanapon. Hanapon, what is that place? That is a train station. Very good. Very good. Next, we have... Okay, okay. What is this place?
Clothes shop.
Clothes shop. Very good. Can you take the box? Okay. And the last one. Katapat. What is this? You know what is that? Okay, come here. That is a theater. Can you say? Very good. Theater. Very good. Now, that's it. Did you like the game? Okay.